All right, I knew this fan was going to drive me crazy, so I'm going to try to buy a good fan to put in it that's really, really quiet if it's going to be on all the time. It is part of the power supply assembly. So the way that you take these apart is that you take the rubber bumper on the back. There's two screws holding it in at the ends. You take those out, that comes apart, and there's one screw that holds the metal case on. Take that out. And then this unit is the power supply unit. Obviously, Hewlett-Packard didn't build this one. And it sits in just like this, and there's two screws here and one screw here, and this whole unit then just flops out, and it's on a connector. I guess I can take the connector off, why not? So this is all by itself. Let me put it over to the side so we can look inside, just because people want to see inside. There's a big gap here, so it has a very cheapy 10 megahertz reference, so this is probably for the oven. And so there's really no reason to keep this thing on all the time. It makes no sense at all. But there's no way to turn it on and off on the front panel. Maybe I'll put a switch on the front panel just to turn it on and off. Anyway, it's got a lot of memory, and it's got 68... where's my magnifying glass? For the Motorola fanboys, it's a 68931. Is that right? It's got dust on it. 68331. 68331 CFC 116. And then some RAM here, ROM here. There's a GPIB controller here, 9914. I've used those before. And then all the magic's done in one big gate array, one big giant gate array, and then some external chips and stuff. So anyway, not a lot on the inside. It's all been whittled down to the bare minimum. FPGAs can do everything now, so shove it all in there. Makes sense to me. All right, funny little DC to DC converter over here. Not sure what that does. Anyway, I'm not interested in this part. Let me put it somewhere. I am interested in this part, which is super, super dirty because it's got fans sucking all the crap all the time. Oh God, this thing is dirty. All right, let's take this apart. That's not the right size. Let's try this one. Nope. Nope. What the heck is that? This should be the right size. Yeah. Just barely. I don't like that. It's an odd size. It's an odd size screw. And it's on really, really tight. Or maybe if I have some long screws, maybe I'll replace this. All right. How big is this thing? it a 40? Yeah, it's 40 millimeters. So I can get a, what is it, Noctua? What are those world's quietest fans and ugliest fans all at the same time? They're always a junk everywhere. It's always a weird brown color. Yeah, I'll take this over to my air compressor and blow it out. But yeah, I need a and it's soldered into the board 2 wires, so we will just surgically remove it. Boom. Gone. And yeah, I'll order a quiet fan. 12 volt DC, 0.08 amps, brushless, made in China, Delta Electronics. So yeah, 40 millimeter is a standard size, and I know that the Noctua go down that small. I think that's their name. Oh, I'm not pronouncing it wrong. 40 by 40 by 20. All right, I'll get one of those on order and make this thing quieter. All right, the local computer store had fans for 15 bucks. I think that's a pretty standard price for these Noctua fans. Fancy packaging. Let's see what we got. Yeah, here's the fan. Looks very nice. We will mount it. Should we use their mounting things? If I can, they're silicone, so they will be quieter. Yeah, let's, do these fit? I don't know. I don't know. Give them a try. Oh, I know, I had to go the other way. Oh, now I've messed it up. Now I've messed it up. Need to, I think, poke it through this way. Come on. Let's see here. There we go. And then the fan can go on that, I think, like that. I think that will be quieter. Can't hurt. Definitely can't hurt. And I'll snip these off. There we go. Come on. There we go. Ah, it's hurting my fingers. think we want the wires going out that direction. That makes more sense. There we go. Perfect. Let's get rid of some of this extra stuff. All right. Now I have to figure out which wire to use. Oh, we even have some little things there. Oh, that'd be cool. Might be able to use these. How's that? That's pretty cool. Have little, put the wires in and smush it, and you're done. Very cool. See, I could put my wires in here, and their wires in there, and then it works. How exciting is that? Don't have to get the soldering iron. Don't have to do anything. Wow. That's pretty cool. Let's see if it works. Oh, and it's full of goo. That's pretty cool. All right. Ah. So you think that worked? Only one way to find out. Only one way to find out. We can just hook up the power cord right to this thing because it's on all the time. Oh, it's dead quiet. Oh, very nice. Moving air. And I can't hear it. That is way cool. I like it. All right, put it back together. All right, let's plug it in and see what it sounds like. I can hear it, but it's so quiet. It's nice. All right, looking good. Looking good. Does this have a self-check mode here? Let's see. Other measurements, period, ratio, volts, period, volt ratio, okay. Measure frequency 1, gate, time, print and save, interesting. Recall, run, limit mode, state. Yeah, I don't know if it has a, I'll have to read the instruction manual. I'll have to read the instruction manual.